I'm going to show you how to check the news on the Notewise application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New. If you want to check the news, just go to the left bar at the screen, and in the lower bar at the home screen, lower left corner, sorry, you can find the bell icon. Click that and you can check the feature highlights, news, and introducing, a tutorial, and you can find different infos and new option in the Notewise. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.